Welcome to my Abacus learning channel. This is English tutorial. We are doing division on the Abacus. This is third episode of second series and techniques name is remaining dividend. In our first series we learned numbers divide by one digit, but in this second series we are learning numbers divide by two digits, and this is third technique. So let's start. Our very first question is 114 divide by 38. So we are going through the rules. Hope you know all the basic rules of division, all the basic techniques of division, and 1 to 9 multiplication table, and how to subtract on the abacus by using all the techniques. Okay, without that you can't do division. Division is the last part of abacus. So hope you know all that. Let's start. So we have to take place. So this is my short abacus, so I have to change my marked rod. Normally this is my marked rod, but for the division I'm going to change this rod. So I'm going to pass a small paper here. So this is my marked rod. Okay, so let's start. So don't be confused about this. 3 digits minus 2 digits, you got 1, and marked rod is second place, means to the right side this is first place. So we have to put our, or we have to place our dividend on the abacus. Once you place your dividend on the abacus, you don't need to watch this. Okay, leave that, just watch on the abacus and the divisor. Divisor is very important. Okay, and so let's start. Put your left hand's finger to the very biggest place of the dividend and start to divide. 1 divided by 3, is that possible? No, because divisor is bigger. So you have to change your pointer finger to the right side, one step down, and you have to take 11. Okay, so we are not going to use this one. So you have to take this 11, because this pointed dot is 1's place, and to the right side it goes 10's place, and 11. Okay, and it's changed every time. Okay, let's start. So 11 divided by 3, how many times you can divide? 3 times. Yes, so you have to place your answer 2 rods left side from the pointed rod here and place your answer. And from now we are going to multiply this divisor by this answer. 3 3s are 9, so you have to reduce 9 here. So you have only 1 in this rod, so you have to borrow this 10. So you have to apply how to borrow 10 for the addition and subtraction technique here. So reduce 10 and add 1 to reduce 9 here, and change your pointer finger to the right side, and it goes 2 or 4, how many? 24. 3 8s are 24. Okay, and change. No more dividend left here, means this is our answer 3. And if you place dividend on the abacus correctly, and if you take place correctly, your answer always finished on this marked rod. Doesn't matter how long division you are doing. Okay, so let's do another question. Next question is 943 divided by 23. So 3 digits minus 2 digits, you got 1 again, and this is first place. Okay, this is marked rod is second place. So 9, 4 and 3. Okay, so don't need to look these numbers. So place your pointer finger here. 9 divided by 2, how many times you can divide? Yes, 4 times. So put your answer 2 rods left side here, 4, and start to multiply from here. 4 2s are 8, so you have to reduce only 8 from here and change your finger. Okay, and 4 3s are 12, so 1 to 12, you reduce that. We have still dividend on our abacus, so we have to restart same action. So we have 23 here. So again put your finger very first digit. 2 divided by 2, how many? 1 time. Yes, and place your answer 2 rods left side here, 1, and start to multiply. 1 2s are 2, reduce that, change your finger, and 1 3s are 3, so reduce that and change your finger. Look, we finished our dividend here. and we have our answer. This time we have 2 digits answer. So this is my marked dot, 4 and 1. 41 our answer. Okay. There are some questions on screen. Please try to do that. If you have trouble, mail me, message me, email me, or you can directly chat from the Facebook page, through the messenger. Follow my Facebook page also. Links are in the description box, and hope you understand my English language. Please do not comment on my English because I'm not English speaker. Hardly I can speak a little bit, so please forgive me about that, and keep learning. Next episode, next technique. Ta-ta.